hear kung narinig nyo, kung okay ba yung sounds ko. Okay, good. Yes. Hi, Randy. Hi, Josephine. Hi, Rosemary, Sophia, and Ad. Okay, so thank you so much for coming. So I'm going to record this para dun sa mga nag-register pero won't be able to come, no? Kasi I know some of these attendees are still working, no? Pagka Saturday. So honestly, I don't work Saturday, Sunday na. Actually, Friday pa lang I do half day work. Okay, pagkatapos yung Saturday, Sunday, I don't usually work pero I spend my Saturday on activities. Okay, personal development activities like for example, today is sa company namin, I do organize yung badminton. Okay, so merong coach na nag-assist sa mga staff for this quarter para magkaroon ng health activities. So that is badminton for this quarter. Then sometimes my Saturday I do attend conferences, webinars, and yeah, I do very minimal na lang. I do speaking engagement. Okay, for this year I did not really go on it kasi parang I felt like nakukuha yung time ko. But I do usually for the last quarter of the year at least one or two activities for OPAP din. Yun. So para meron pa ring konting momentum. Okay, so yun lang. Yun yung sa akin on my side. So what about you guys? Anong can you comment ano yung pinagkakaabalahan nyo during this period in your life, in your freelancing, kung freelancing ka in your business, ano yung pinagkakaabala nyo? Okay, si Randy is working. So I would really appreciate if you participate through comments, para hindi ako nagmo-monologue. Anong tawag doon? Para hindi monologue yung ganap ko. I do handle bigger activities. Kaya I want participation, no? But don't worry. I'll make sure now we are going to be on time. It will take only 1 hour and 30 minutes for sure. Kasi I prepared a very concise presentation of how to become top rated in Upwork. I think that's really what you want to hear from me. Ano? Okay, sige. Hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. I'll go and jump into it. Okay? But before I do that, okay, sige, let me just share my screen para malaman natin kung nakikita nyo ba. Let me share screen. Okay, so nakikita niyo na ba yung PowerPoint? Can you comment number 1 if you are able to see yung PowerPoint? Okay, good. What about the others? Nakikita ba? Comment 1 if you see it. Okay, good. Si Rosemary. What about okay, good, good. Okay, very good. Now, how to become top rated from Upwork? I have one question. Sino sa inyo yung narinig yun na yung story ko? So I won't need to go and introduce myself. Of course, dun sa mga going to watch this on replay. Okay, so let me just give my background. No, actually, I've been freelancing, considered freelancing for almost turning 3 years actually. October 2022 nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, 23, 24, 25. So 3 years. This is my third year actually of freelancing. So I still remember 2022. Okay, July 2022, ito yung process ko. So I was an OFW in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So I prepared for my freelancing journey, or for, I considered it as retirement actually. Okay, so July is asset preparations, looking for courses. Then August is trying to connect, do discovery calls, finding clients. And then September, yun yung time na I tried to go and get clients, close clients. Then October, ito yung flight ko sa Philippines. Pero bago ako nag-flight in the Philippines, I made sure na meron ako mga retainer clients. And I still remember almost seven retainer clients yung hawak ko nung nag-land ako dito sa Pilipinas. And that is the time when I say, yes, this is it. So from OFW, okay, so this is my flight ticket actually, October 28. So yan yon. Pagdating ko, this is my last day at work in corporate, no? Yan talaga yung pinaka last day ko. Then, uh, ito pa nga yun yung nag-over baggage ako. Yun yung picture kanina. Ito yung nangyari bago ako nakarating dun sa check-in area kasi over baggage. Then ito yung grabe. Ito yung area ko where I started to do freelancing. Okay, ito is nasa kitchen to. Tapos ganito pa yung table. Ah, Pagkatapos, I think dalawang laptop to eh. Pero right now, I have my, uh, so from solopreneur to agency owner. Okay, so meron na akong team. Okay, so we are 12. 12 kami sa company right now. 3 is remotely, 9 is on site. Okay, so yun. And the good thing is, so what happened in the past 3 years? Okay, so ang nangyari, I registered the company with SEC, and Securities and Exchange Commission. And then last July this year, I registered it in Dubai. Okay, so in Ajman Free Zone in United Arab Emirates. Okay, so OPAB sa Philippines, ganun din. OPAB pa rin uh, sa UAE. Okay, pero mas mahaba kasi may dugtong na FZE pagkatapos yung acronym niya kasama. Pero sa Philippines is buo lang siya. Okay, pero of course we called it OPAB, Outsourced Prime Accountants and Bookkeepers Firm. So you can see the transition from being a solopreneur to agency owner. Okay, and from being 1 to 12, 13 staff as of today. So that is within the 3 years period. And honestly, okay, so why Upwork? Bakit ang ang napipili ko laging ang napipili kong training, okay? This is an initial training usually. I always ask to do how to become top rated in Upwork kasi dito ako nag-start. Okay, sa Upwork talaga ako nag-start to get clients, no. Dito ako kumbaga um honestly, naka 99, totoo to, 99 applications, no, bago ako nagkaroon sa ika 100, doon talaga ako naka-close ng deals. Meron akong screenshot nun, hinahanap ko, hindi ko makita. Oo, naka 99 application ako. And then, before I got into close deal sa Upwork. So, ganun kahirap yung pinagdaanan ko in Upwork, honestly. Hindi siya madali. Okay? Then, of course, dapat laging may actions, no, na ginagawa. But ang nangyari is, okay, so makikita mo, 100% job success. This is, hindi ko nakuha yung date, pero this is already in, I think, so October 2022. Siguro this is around June 2022. Oo, yeah, ito yon. Kasi after 6 months. And of course, I'm getting paid, no? Ang maganda dito, I'll be honest with you, ang nakaset up kasi yung Upwork ko for minimum payment of $2,000. Okay, so ibig sabihin, I used to receive weekly. Sometimes, of course, no, kung hindi talaga nagagather lahat ng funds on a weekly basis or every other week, I receive this type of payments. Okay, so 2,000, 3,000. So depending on the projects completed. And of course, dahil hindi na ako mag-isa, mas madali na siya ngayon. Kasi I have my team. Okay, so two of my team, team players, no, yung staff ko, isa sa mid shift and isa sa night shift, silang dalawa yung nag-check ng Upwork account ko. Okay, sila na yun. Ako yung nagko-close ng deal. Okay, pero kumuha na rin ako ng nagbi-bid or naghahanap ng job for me sa Upwork. So hindi na ako yung gumagawa nito, pero dahil sa gusto ko pa din, once in a while, once in a week, pag wala ako masyadong nare-receive na messages or client closing, pumupunta ako personally and chine-check ko. May monitoring kami, merong monitoring Excel how to do. Tinatrack namin yung applications and biddings. Yun yung maganda dito. Okay, so why businesses turn to Upwork? Okay, bakit ang dami-daming job posting pa rin sa Upwork? Honestly, hindi ganun kadali ang Upwork right now compared in the early days. Okay, so ang daming nagsasabi even during Odes, from Odes to Upwork, mas madali humanap ng work in Upwork. Pero right now is mas mahirap na, hindi ganun kadali. Pero ang mga business owners, they go in Upwork kasi merong proof of quality. They hire with confidence kasi may agreement and contract already. Kasi ang Upwork is registered in each country. Okay? Tapos, we considered is it's safe and secure. Okay? Kung hindi ka lalabas na beginner. Alam mo yun, pag beginner kasi usually yun yung nai-scam. Okay, you don't go out of Upwork unless you you already got the confidence na yung client na kausap mo is talagang magbibigay sa'yo ng contract outside. Okay, so I'll give you some examples later on. Ngayon, ang marami pa rin business owners where they hire through umaalis na rin sila. Okay, kasi kung yan ay full-time in-house, ang kalimitan ginagawa ng mga yan, pumupunta sila sa LinkedIn. Okay, pero pagka mga short-term project, pero kung yan ay per project, usually Upwork din yan. Pero meron pa ding mga long-term project, anong tawag doon, yung mga business owners na nakasanayan na. So dito sila, they stay with Upwork. Okay? Now, so this is actually yung hindi siya laging, 'di ba nakita nyo at the very beginning 100%. Now, bumababa yan. Okay, nagiging 97% job success kung merong mga cancellations, hindi maganda yung feedback, hindi maganda yung rating. So, bumabalik din ako sa mababang success percentage. Pero ang goal mo dapat is laging eto dito 97%. Okay, so nag-start ako 97%, kailangan maabot mo yung 100%. Pero top rated na, parehong top rated na kasi ang ginagawa ko during that period is uh, ini-encourage ko yung owner or yung kung saan ako may contract, pagka yun ay project, after the project, even before, yung nasa discovery call ka pa lang, no, sinasabi mo na sa client mo na after the work, please do give me a 5 star and a feedback. Okay, so that's very, very important. Okay, that's very important. Kasi yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng top rated status. Pag sinabi kasing top rated, laging nasa 5 star yung feedback sa'yo. Okay? And dapat legit. Okay? After that, merong top rated plus. So, ito yung level. Top rated plus, ibig sabihin, you handle large contracts. Ibig sabihin, malalaking kontrata ang hinahawakan mo. Okay? Kaya mo nang humawak ng malaking kontrata from maliit hanggang sa malaki. Okay? Now, I want you to remember this acronym. Okay? Ito yung acronym ko na strategy ko at the very beginning. Okay, madali lang siyang tandaan and some of this yung strategy na to is narinig nyo na rin probably sa ibang coaches, sa ibang community, and this is really the basic. Okay, ito yung pinaka-basic na kailangan mong gawin. Kasi dyan talaga yun eh. Okay, so pick one offer and market. Okay, ako dito, talaga ang tinarget ko is United Arab Emirates. Dubai talaga. you can see talaga Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Yan lang muna. Hanap ka ng isang lugar, location, at ano yung industry na yon na gusto mong pasukin. Kasi mas madaling matutuhan yung paggawa ng bids, paggawa ng proposal, kung isa muna. Okay, sa kakalumipat hanggang maghalo-halo na yan, lahat kunin mo na. Pero hanggat wala ka pang namamaster, you don't move into another offer or to another market. Pwedeng QuickBooks for service-based business. Ako ang sa akin nun is uh, SaaS entrepreneurs. Okay? Yun yung software as a service. Yun yung pinaka-target ko talaga. And of course, no, uh, United Arab Emirates kasi doon ako galing. Then, ang main focus ko pa is taxation. Kaya mabilis yung pag-angat ko kasi it's really in demand. Okay? Then, optimize your profile. Okay? Siyempre, it's very important na ma-optimize mo yung profile mo. Kasi, magbibigay siya ng percentage naman sa completion. Okay? Kung 100% na yung profile mo, that means you are eligible or verifiable. Okay? So, now, question. Siguro naman, since nandito kayo lahat, I would like to know, naka-optimize ba yung profile mo? Dapat hindi lang sa Upwork, uh, in all platforms. Okay, kung ano yung dapat nasa sa Upwork, yun din dapat yung nasa LinkedIn. May mga times where I was reached out not in Upwork but in LinkedIn. But they found me. They found me in Upwork. Okay, hinanap pa rin nila ako sa LinkedIn. Okay, so try to uh, really update no yung profile mo. Now, question. Can you comment profile kung naka-optimize yung mga profile nyo? Okay, I want to know. Di ba? Kasi that's the first step. Okay? So, naka-optimize ba? Can you comment optimize? Parang wala naman yata naka-optimize. Parang walang nagko-comment ng optimize. Okay, meron. Merong profile. Okay, good. So, yan yung task. Doon sa mga hindi pa naka-optimize ang profile, please do it. Okay? Gawin natin siya. Hindi pwedeng hindi naka-optimize yan. And dapat connect yan sa LinkedIn profile mo. Okay? So, madaling tandaan, POP. Okay. P is patience. Okay, marami nag-give up here. Honestly, kasi parang napapagod ka. Kasi sa isang applications is sobrang dami. Okay, sobrang dami. No? Sa isang job post, nasa 50 ka agad. Minutes pa lang. Okay, so patience, patience, and patience. Kasi ako nga, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, ha, it's true. 99 application talaga yun. Hinahanap ko lang yun. Hindi ko talaga makita kung saan ko nalagay. But if you attended in the in early days where I shared talaga nasa 100 pa bago ako nakakuha ng proper job. Okay? Now, ito yung optimized profile ko. And in the early days, nakita mo freelance finance controller yung gamit ko. Dito is OPAB na. OPAB na yung company ko. Okay, OPAB. Ito yon OPAB, di ba? Pero previously, ang gamit ko pa na profile is yung freelance finance controller. And specific, di ba? Yung sinabi ko na one offer, one market. Ayan nga. Okay, I help Dubai-based startup entrepreneurs and business owners. Okay, with their accounting. Startup kahit yung nag-uumpisa pa lang. Lalo na kung wala ka masyadong knowledge in accounting. Okay, FTA VAT registration and filing so that they can focus increasing their profits and lift their financial burdens. Ang main concept ko dito is the Dubai, the startup, and the financial burdens. Kasi tinatanggalan mo ng worries or nililip mo yung hirap ng isang owners, isang startup entrepreneurs or owners para sa finance part ng business niya. Okay, so dapat ganon. Okay, so ikaw, ano yung nakalagay sa profile mo? Ganyan din, naiba na yan, of course. No? May transition ang nangyari. We'll check yung profile ko sa Upwork in a while. Okay? Pero dapat yan is, again, optimize yung profile, yung offer, nandun doon, nakikita. And very clear kung ano yung target mo. Okay? Now, ito yung complete your profile. Okay? So, 100% dapat complete and meron dapat nakalagay well done. Kasi, algorithm-based pa rin yan. Okay? Yung employment history, education, may video introduction din ako. Certifications, yes, nilalagay ko. QuickBooks Advisor, Xero Advisor, other experiences, profile photo. Of course, dapat professional yung profile photo mo. Ibang-iba yung profile photo ko sa picture ko ngayon. Ano yan? Sa actual, no? Kasi nga, nag-evolve tayo. Okay? And then your skills. Now, ayun nga yun. Bakit kailangan okay ang profile mo? Upwork job search algorithm matches your query. Okay, yung content ng job post dapat nagmamatch doon sa profile or job description. Okay, so yung profile mo versus the job description, dapat nagmamatch siya para madaling hanapin sa algorithm. Okay, skills, title, and description. Kung makikita mo dito sa akin, okay, sige, punta na tayo sa Upwork ko muna. Okay, bago ako mag-move para makita mo kung paano ko ginagawa. Actually, tinan nyo, meron dalawang message. No, actually may good news ako. Kasi ito, human resource, onboarding, I closed 6-figure last Friday. No, ito yung company. So, I signed the contract, I'll start by Monday. Now, eto, fresh, 1:45 p.m., 15 minutes ago, kami message lang. Hi, Jonathan, are you in Dubai or Abu Dhabi? Okay, so may nag-reach out na, hindi ako nag-apply. Okay, so kasi nakita nila yung profile. So hindi mo kailangan na maraming connects. 'Di ba? So I will reply, I was in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. I usually stay in Abu Dhabi. Okay? I usually stay in Abu Dhabi during the last 2 months. Nasa Abu Dhabi, 1 month ako sa Abu Dhabi and then 1 month ako sa Dubai. Kasi di ba, I put up the branch ng OPAP doon. So I was there. Okay, so replyan natin yon kasi nagtatanong siya. Kasi pagka ganyan, dapat mabilis ka ring sumagot. You need to be online. Okay? Yan yung sinasabi ko. Pagka optimize yung profile mo, hindi ka mahihirapan na makipag-bidding o makipaglaban kung maayos yung algorithm, na-match mo yung algorithm, tapos umangat ka ng umangat. Pagka ang status mo is top rated na, okay, pwede ka nang, hindi naman sa, pwede ka nang mamili ng pagtatrabahuan mo and you are not afraid to lose. Okay, I'll give you an example. Okay? Kasi binabarat tayo, lalo na pag nakita tayo sa discovery call and Pilipino tayo, ay, promise, ang daming nambabarat. Okay? So, let me just open it. Can you see my screen? Wait. I think I want to share yung Upwork. Wait lang ha. Grabe. It's a blessing kasi biglang umulan. Biglang umulan. Okay, nakikita niyo yung Upwork ko? Ay, hindi. Kanina pala is I think emails, no? Can you comment Upwork kung nakikita niyo yung Upwork account? Ito yung sinabi ko na may nag-reach out. Hi, Jonathan, are you in Dubai or Abu Dhabi? Okay, so nandito siya. Ito is, are you in Dubai and Abu Dhabi? Re-replyan ko na siya. Okay, so I will reply. Wait lang, medyo mahina yung internet, biglang tumuon. Okay, I think I applied for this. So, I'm from Abu Dhabi, actually. Dhabi. But currently, I took a vacation in the Philippines. Kasi sabi ko nasa Philippines ako. However, we can discuss through Zoom. Kasi yung mga ganyan, magpapatawag yan, sasabihin nila, let's meet up. Okay? Kung nasa Dubai ako, then yes. Kung hindi, Zoom. Okay? Now, ito yung sinasabi ko na profile sa Upwork. Let's us check, no? Yung profile. Complete your profile. Dito tayo. 100% complete na to eh. Okay? Anyways. Wait lang, medyo bumagal yung net kasi it's raining. Biglang umulan. Okay, so 100% complete, show completed. Actually, link accounts. Pwede mo siyang, ito yung bago. Pwede mo na i-connect sa social media profile mo. Okay, so but I don't want to do that at the moment. Okay, kasi pag nakita yung LinkedIn profile ko, they will see it as an agency, agency na ako, hindi na solo freelancer. Ano? So, nandiyan dyan yung work history, nakalagay dyan, education. So, wait lang. Okay, so dapat kumpleto. Can you comment complete if you have completed your profile already? If you can see 100% well done. Meron na ba dito sa na-attend? Can you comment? Tingnan ko nga kung meron, kung nakita nyo, merong comment sa inyo na 100% well done. Okay? Can you comment? Para malaman ko kung totoo ba na nangyayari siya. Okay? Wait lang. Meron na ba sa inyo naka 100% well done or ngayon pa lang i-complete? Can you comment complete kung complete na yung sayo? Ngayon, tapos lagi ngayon yung verify. Okay, good. So meron naman naka-complete na. That's good. Okay. Okay. So anyways, balik muna ako since nagkukuhan pa naman siya, balik muna tayo sa presentation ulit. Okay? I'll go with the presentation muna ulit and then uh, let me go dun sa PowerPoint ulit natin para makita nyo. Tapusin ko muna yung PowerPoint before we go through sa actual Upwork. Pero since madali lang naman yung profile on how to complete it, so I leave it to you. Ano? Okay. Now, let's go back dito tapusin ko muna lahat na nasa PowerPoint, then I'll go with the platform. Okay, so Upwork job search algorithm, yan yung sinabi ko. Then, eto, tatandaan mo. Okay, apply for jobs with 75% chance. Okay, so ibig sabihin ng 75% chance, match with your skills, match with your profile, match with your uh, rate, okay, happy rate, okay, match with your skills talaga. Okay, so ibig sabihin, yun talaga yung hinahanap mo. Okay, kumbaga meron kang client or customer avatar. Okay, ano yung process? Paano ginagawa yung process sa Upwork? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so yan yung process sa Upwork. Apply, okay, so mag-a-apply tayo. Bid, magbibidding tayo. Call, and magdi-discovery call kung magpapatawag ng call. May mga potential clients, they don't. Okay, diretso na kagad. Okay, so diretso na kagad contract. Okay, may mga ganun akong cases. Then, deliver, yung deliverables. And then, pagka na-deliver mo, okay, yung outcome, then, they execute payments. Okay, so yun yung tatandaan mo, screenshot mo na yan. Yan yung process. A, B, C, D, E. Madali rin tandaan. Apply, bid, call, deliverables, execute payments. Okay? Now, punta na tayo sa platform. I-apply natin yung A, B, C, D, E. Okay? Para mapakinabangan natin. Ayan, sakto. Hindi na naglalag. Okay? Ito yung sa akin. Can you see? Ito yung profile ko. 100% job success, top rated plus. Okay? Ang ginawa ko na, ang minimum ko na dito is $25 per hour. Pero I get consultations. I charge dito is $50 per hour. Pero usually, ngayon, ang pinakamababa ko is 65. Kumukuha din ako ng 250, 80. Okay? Tapos ito mga dalawang contract na bago lang na natapos last October. Ito yung dalawang feedback. 5-star experienced accountant for small UAE business, accounting, and tax. Okay, so yung verification, ito. Education, languages, hours per week, at saka yung video introduction. So meron siya. Okay? Now, punta na tayo. Okay, kanina ko ba kasi nakikita tong message? Let me just check. Baka lang importante. Okay? Kasi may mga contract ako dito sa Upwork na continuous na I need to reply. Ito si Mr. Maher. Isa sa mga clients ko, regular to. So I would just need to respond kung ano yung kailangan niya. I do check, no? Pagka though may nagche-check na nito, pero sometimes pagka kagaya ngayon, Saturday, Sunday, and merong notification na ganun, I just try to answer them. Please need you from Monday. Okay. Updated projection. Please see below payroll overtime. Okay. So, yan yung mga tinatrabaho ko sa client na to. Noted. See you. Okay, nireplyan ko lang siya. Then, later on, dapat, ang gagawin ko dyan, I'll share it with my staff. O, eto, nakita nyo na to eh. Ang contract dito is $680. Okay? Ayan siya. Tapos, ang gagawin ko dyan, pagka nakakakuha ako ah, ng message na ganyan, hindi ako nagtatrabaho na yan. Ang ginagawa ko, ni-screenshot ko yan. Tapos, isi-share ko yan sa staff ko kung ano yung status ng client na hinahawakan nila. Okay? So dito yan, meron kaming parang pinaka-communications with that client, Tab Chili. Siya yun. Ipopost ko lang dito. Ipopost ko lang, sasabihin ko all. Okay, para alam nila na kailangan nilang gawin. Okay, sila yung tumatrabaho na. Do akong umattend ng meeting. Ayan. Sila yung tatrabaho ng kulang. Okay, pero again, kagaya ng sabi ko, since ngayon is weekend lang, kaya walang nag-check. Kasi nga, wala kaming pasok. Pero kasi itong client na to, nagme-message talaga yan every weekend. Before, para sa Monday, ready na siya kung anong kulang. Pero yung hinihingi niya, natapos na yun ang stop ko kasi yesterday we had a stop meeting. Okay? Now, ngayon, okay, so complete na yung profile natin. So we are in the process. Apply, bid, call, and deliverables and execute payment. So, what I'm going to do, meron tayong best matches. Dito sa best matches, dito tayo kukuha ng application. Okay? Kagaya ng sinabi ko before, meron kaming monitoring. Okay, pero that's gonna be next siguro natin i-discuss. Kasi may mga naka-applied. Yung isang staff ko na pang graveyard, he's doing the application. Okay, so ako, let me try kung meron akong makukuha today. Kasi parang mukhang in-apply niya na. Basta nakita niya na United Arab Emirates, a-applyan na niya yun. So, wala nang natitira sa akin. Pero let's try to see kung meron. Ano kasi sa para makita ko sa inyo yung example. puros US kasi ang dami US actually. If you are into US, 100% recommended. Ang dami ng US clients. Kaso this will be graveyard shift usually. Ano, pero pwede kang mag-negotiate for anong tawag doon? Timing. Okay. Eto, pwede ako dito kasi ito, kilala ko na to eh. Parang ito yung nag-reach out sa akin the other day. UAE, okay, sabi dito, someone to guide me with registering the company. Ngayon, i-check mo, meron na ba ini-interview? Wala pa. Walang bang invites? Wala. Ang applicants 15 lang. So may chance ako dito. Ang gagawin ko dyan, ano yung average? 55, high 100. Ang liit. Kasi yung bat registration sa UAE, it will only take 30 minutes to do. No? So sa 30 minutes, ang usually charge ko nga dito is $200. Tapos ang gagawa naman yan, yung stop. So, try ko na rin mag-submit. Ano? Kasi nga, just for the purpose of showing you how to apply. Okay? Apply, bid. Okay? So, apply. Gumagamit din ako ng ChatGPT para mas mabilis. Okay? ChatGPT, kukunin ko yung pinost niya. Ganito lang. Ang simple lang. Si ChatGPT, ika-copy and paste ko. Pero para ituturuan din kita, para hindi siya halatang chinat GPT mo. Okay. Kung hindi gagana yung ChatGPT kasi mabagal. Mabagal yung internet ko kasi umulan. Okay. Anyways, para na rin naman akong chat GPT. Ganito ginagawa ko. Okay. So by project, merong nag-bid na 100 is high. Kaya ko din mag-bid ng 100 kasi this is my specialty. Ano? Sasabihin ko, hi. Kuhaan ko lang yan. Okay. Tingnan mo, babaguhin ko. Ang gagawin lang din naman ni ChatGPT pag pinost mo yan, i-re-purpose niya lang naman yan. Okay, so dito is, I can help you. Tingnan mo gagawin ko ha. I can, para lang din ako parang ako na mismo si ChatGPT. Pero again, you can just post it to ChatGPT since mabagal, kaya ginawa ko na. I can guide you with registering your company for bot in the UAE. Okay? Tapos tatanggalin mo ah yung information about this company. Okay. We will get a Zoom session to finish this together. Yes, we can. Yeah, we can have a Zoom session. We can have a Zoom session and finish the process together as long as you have all the requirements ready. Ganon. So, as long as you have the requirements ready. Okay, tapos, yes, I will give you the requirements. I will give you, dahil alam ko na to, ginagawa ko na siya. I will give you the requirements. Please see attach. Okay? Meron ako niyan eh. Requirements and documents that are needed. That are needed as attached. Again, ito ay kasi isa talaga to sa mga services ko. So, kaya kaya ko na siyang gawin by myself kahit hindi ako mag-chat with GPT. Okay? Tapos i-attach ko yun. Let me know your availability. Let me know your availability. And I do charge per our consultation. Consultation, $100. Kasi $100 yung kinuha regards. Sayang yung oras. Okay, so attach files. Again, kung ikaw ay nag-start, it doesn't necessarily needed na anong tawag doon? Na malaki na kagad yung i-charge mo. That is okay. Ano, kukunin ko lang yung, wait lang. Kailangan ko lang ibigay sa kanya yung tax registration. Kasi, okay, VAT registration requirements. Kasi naka-ready na ako dyan. So, ibig sabihin, kung alam mo naman yung requirements na, tapos a-add ka ng Upwork job. Kung meron ka magandang review na related dun sa tinarbaho mo. So, meron akong mga about tax. So, ilalagay ko siya. I-highlight ko siya. So, ito na yung tinatawag natin na application. Then, bid. Makikita mo sa baba kung magkano ko siya i-bid. Dubai Company Tax Filing, Corporate Tax Filing. So, related dun sa job post niya. Ito is quick wins to kasi maliit lang na trabaho, maliit lang na task. Pero pag natapos mo, bayad ka agad si client, close the contract, then 5-star review. So kaya mabilis yung pacing. Yan, dito sa bidding, nilagay ko 7. First place ako. Why? Okay, why? Kasi nung chinek ko, wala pang ini-interview. So pag chinek niya yung the next day, i-check niya, oh, ito yung top 4. Makikita niya nasa top ako. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, I'm legit. Okay? So, tapos i-check niya yung review, i-check niya yung profile. So, send. Okay, so ito yung bid to boost 7 connects. So, 7 yon first place. Now, sa proposal, merong required connects. Dito is 11 na kagad. Kaya tumaas yung connects, 18 connects. Ako is, I invest on this already. Like what I told you, di ba? Kasi, why? Kasi dito ako kumukuha ng clients, okay? And I feel like bawing-bawi ko naman siya. Okay, so like for example, okay, so send na natin yung proposal. Kung maubusan naman ako ng connects, Okay, so I will show you then. Okay, paano bumibili ng Connects para isama ko na rin. Okay, so nagawa na natin, nakapag-bid. So ang sunod niyan, call, magdi-discovery call kayo, tapos contract, deliverables pag na-deliver, and then execute na yung payment. Okay? Now, bili muna tayo ng Connects. Paano bumibili ng Connects? Madali lang naman yan. Connects. Tingnan natin, ilan ang Connects ko pa. Okay. 341. For the purposes of this discussion, I'll add, kasi ako naman, yung gumagawa sa akin ng Upwork application, lagi dapat may connects. Kasi every day, during weekdays, nag-a-apply siya. Okay. So, magdadagdag ako. Since may 341 connects pa naman ako, hmm, sige, magdagdag ako 150 para 500. Buy connects. So, bumibili ako. Ngayon, bumibili ako pagka meron na rin akong income. Ano? So, ito, like for example, dito, 2025, may balance ako $2,000. Okay, so okay lang na bumili. Kasi meron naman akong kitang $5,000, babawasin dun sa income ko or from the contracts na meron ako. Okay, so pagka naman okay na, nakapag-deliver ka ng work, get paid. Dito siya. Get paid, ayan, nabawasan. Get paid now. Pero kagaya ng sabi ko, nakaschedule yan October 29. So I would not withdraw it kasi baka may pumasok pa. Baka may pending payments pa. Okay, so I'll wait for that to come next week kasi next week na lang naman yun. Okay, so yun yung process. Okay, so the process A, B, C, D, E. Okay, apply, bid. O, balik tayo sa presentation natin. Wait lang. Okay, think of your questions. Ano? Para ma-ask nyo yung questions na gusto nyo. Okay, so, again, so the process is A, B, C, D, E, apply, bid, call, contract, deliverables, execute payments. Okay? Now, kaya ng sabi ko, to become a top rated, kailangan maganda yung reviews. Okay, so, syempre, ito yung mga reviews. QuickBooks Setup or Small Business 5 star. Ito yung maliliit. Kahit maliliit, ito yung maliliit ko at the very beginning. Okay, so maliliit na contract. Look, $114 lang. Para isa yung tips for you to get into the top rated level. Kahit maliit, tanggapin mo sa umpisa. Okay, di ba? Laging hanap natin premium. No, it's okay at the very beginning. If you are starting out, start with a small. Tignan mo, I started 114, 5 star. Import, export, bot expert. Perfect communication, $20 lang. Bot registration consultation, $100 lang. Consultation free zone, $80. Okay, perfect consultation. Accountant bookkeeper needed setup, 5 star. Okay, so at the very beginning, habang nag-i-start ka pa lang, go and do this. Okay, ang maganda dyan, ano ang maganda dito? If you deal with honesty rin sa kanila, okay, if you deal with honesty with the client, the good thing is, see, this one, the team is so excited, so na-onboard ako dito sa client na to. And then, lumabas na kami ni client from Upwork. Okay? Kinulos niya. Binigyan niya ako ng 5 star. Kumikita ako sa kanya $25 per hour. Okay? So, $25 per hour ang bayad niya sa akin. Okay? So, lumabas na kami. Kinulos yung contract. 58,406. If I'm not mistaken, every 15 days. Okay? This is 2024 last year. Okay? Pero the company changed direction. So, hindi I left, hindi, nag-separate ways kami. We decided to separate ways kasi hindi na Dubai yung market. Nag-stay sila sa, they move on to New Zealand. Okay, yung client na to. Okay? So, yan yon. Now, tips to be top rated. Deliver high quality work. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng nag-meeting kayo ni client. Pagkatapos ang dami mong pinangako. ang dami mong sinabi. Okay? Ang dami mong shinare. Okay. Sa dami mong shinare, ginawa mo yung trabaho. Pero pagdating dun sa trabaho, hindi mo na-deliver ng tama. Okay? And that's sad. Okay? Kasi you can get a negative feedback. Okay? Magkakaroon ka lang ng 1 star. Okay? And bababa yung rate mo. Hindi ka magiging top rated. So always deliver high quality work. Okay? Maintain good communication with the client. Okay? Kailangan yung communication is very clear. Merong clear direction, ano yung clear outcome, ano yung clear deliverables. Okay? Ima-migrate yung buong 2024. Pag na-migrate, ano siya? Ready to generate financial statements for audit. Ready for filing for annual income tax, annual corporate tax. Okay? So it's very clear dapat yung deliverables for you to get paid properly. Ask questions. Minsan, we assume. Okay? Nag-assume tayo na everything is okay. Pero ang problem pala is pareho kayo naghihintayan ni client. Okay? So, ask questions and feedbacks. Okay? And yung pagbibigay ng 5-star rating para sa'yo is a sample feedback. Okay? Kasama yon. Then, build long-term relationship. Okay? May client ako na we just, ano mo yun, maliit ang charge namin sa kanya. Okay? I will show you. Let me just check. Build long-term relationship. May isa akong client dito. Wait lang. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Meron akong isang client na I just close or I ended the contract. Ended the contract during I think it's last week. And then we created the proposal na. Okay, kasi we felt like better to get out of Upwork kasi more than a year na si client. Okay? Kumbaga is yung relationship namin kay client is already, how can I say it? Yung parang kuha na siya. Built. Well built na talaga yung relationship namin kay client. Kaya pwede na namin siyang operan outside. Okay? Let me just check kung nandito yung proposal. Mhm. Just a moment. Let me just check. Ano? Mhm. Siya ba ito? Dito. Wait lang. Just a moment. Hanahanap ko lang yung proposal na ginawa. Okay. Parang nasa staff ko yung proposal na yun. Okay. So, while I'm looking for that, anong masasabi nyo? Meron kayong any comments, questions? Kasi few slides left and I will answer questions. So kung meron kang questions ngayon, you can ask. Ano? Habang hinahanap ko yung sinasabi ko na from Upwork, we are offering na a new contract. Oo, meron akong ganun. Recent lang. This week lang. Pinaltan namin yung I ended the contract in Upwork and then we are sharing a new contract. Wait lang. Kasi para realidad tayo. Okay, just a moment. Tinahanap ko yung Kung may questions, please drop your questions. Okay, meron isang questions dito. Okay. Keep it coming, yung questions ninyo. Okay, tapos isang beses ko na lang sasagutin. Sasabay-sabay ko. Okay, wait. Parang wala dito. Saan napunta yun? Thank you so much. Wala. So, sunod ba? Just a moment lang. Just a moment. Hinahanap ko lang yung contract. Hmm. Bago yun. Gagawa lang ng stuff ko pa. This week. Wait lang. Sayang. Dapat mapakita ko sa inyo. Para gagawa ka rin ng contract mo pag outside Upwork na kayo. So, dapat meron tayong sample. Kasi very important for you to understand, to protect yourself from any problem in the future. Dun sa pinag-usapan nyo, may contract ka na mapapakita. Di ba? Kasi yun yung problema lagi sa client na itinatanggi na yun yung pinag-usapan. Di ba? So, wait lang. So, dapat kung ano yung pinag-usapan, yun yung nasa kontrata. Kasi kung wala kang contract, dali. Anong tawag doon? Pwedeng itanggi. Okay? So, ang benefits naman na nasa Upwork ka is automatically yung Upwork na yung gumagawa ng contract and agreement ninyo. Di ba? Meron na silang template talaga. Hmm. Wait lang, hindi ko makita. So, nilagay yun. Wait lang, just a moment. Ayun. Hmm. Contract for orchestra. Hindi ito yun eh. Meron pang isa eh. Okay, sige. Etong isa na lang na to. Hindi ko makita yung isa eh. Gusto ito. Maliit kasi itong isang to. Pero tinan natin sa Upwork kung magkano yung charge ko sa kanya before. Mhm. Okay, anyway, sayang. Ayaw mabuksan. Okay, let me just open. Let me just show you yung contact. Okay, kasi lumabas kami sa Upwork nito and napakababa lang ng charge. I think we are charging the client for uh, kung hindi ako nagkakamali siguro $150. Okay? $150 lang. 23rd October bago nga lang this week. Ito is $130 ang charge namin in Upwork. No? Pero since meron kayong mga dinagdag na service, lumabas kami. Gumawa ako ng agreement. Ito, ang fees dito is 1,800 dirhams na. So, can you imagine from $130, magkano yun in pesos? Okay? And then, ginawa ko ng dirhams kasi Dubai siya. So, may proper contract na. So, that means, let's say, tinan mo, yun yung maganda. Pagka matagal ka na kay client, kaya mo nang lumabas. Okay? At pwede ka na mag-increase. Dito sa amin is, nag-start kami sa kanya 130. 1 year client ko na to. Kauna-unahan, isa sa mga kauna-unahan ko, 58. So, dito is 7,540 pesos monthly. Now, dito sa bago namin, 1,800 dirhams. Ang charge namin sa kanya, so that is 15.7. Oh, 28,000. Can you imagine ang jump from 7,000 to 28,000 pesos monthly? Okay? So, malaki yung difference kasi lumaki na yung company. Then, we get out of Upwork. Okay, so kabibigay lang nitong contract na to. every 15th of the month. Um, October, sinend niya 23rd October. And the client agree. Okay? So, yun. Nasaan yung client na yon para maniwala kayo dito sa contracts na close? Wait lang, hanapin ko yung... Actually, tatlo yung nalipat namin. tatlo sila. Tatlong client na from Upwork to an agreement. Kasi maganda yung status namin. Three clients yan. Ito yung isa, tapos meron pang isa. Ah, nasa yung isa. Masyadong maraming contract. Hindi ko makita. Ano? Anyways, pero yun yun. Okay. Yun yun. Okay, so what you need to do is really do it properly. Handle Upwork properly. Okay? Now, I'm open for, so dun tayo sa, yung last ko is, na sinabi is about tips. Ano, so, deliver, babalikan natin ang PowerPoint later on, pero for now, I'll go for question and answer. Okay? Okay. Now, ilang hours po yung contract on screen? Okay, sige. Depende yun. Okay, depende sa client. Okay, so ilang hours ba ang kailangan ni client? Now, there are two ways to handle it. Kasi merong fix at merong fixed contract o per hour. May mga clients, merong tinatawag na time tracker through Upwork at merong add time manually. Okay, add time manually. Meron akong contract na tatlo, which is kailangan merong time. Ano, meron akong time. Tatlo tong contract na to. Pero I can, uh, eto siya. Pwede akong mag-add ng time manually dito. Okay? Tatlo yung contract ko. Ito siya. Three contracts na nag-a-add ako ng time manually sa timesheets. Kasi wala pa namang end of the month, so madali lang mag-add ng hours. 2 hours, 2 hours. Iba-iba rin ang rate, 15. Yung mga matatagal, ito yung client na to, si Nathan, ang tagal na niyan. At the very beginning, client ko na yan. Kaya ang rate ko pa $8. Can you imagine? 15, 8, 25. So, nagja-jump yung rate ko. Isa to sa pinakamatagal, hindi ko na binago kasi parang lucky charm. Okay, so ganun siya. Yun yung tatlong contract ko na merong hours. Okay, so manually. So depende sa contract mo. Okay, so merong nilalagay na time limit, minsan 20 hours, 40 hours. Dito sa mga client ko na hinahawakan na tatlo na to, we don't have any limit. Okay? I mean, 40 hours per week. Ano? Yun yung pinaka full-time considered. Pero pagka wala namang ginagawa, hindi kami nag-a-add talaga ng oras. Okay, now another question based on what you showed earlier. It's okay to lower our ask when starting if the goal is to get good feedback 5-star. Yes. Honestly, walang siguro other trainings or seminar would say no, don't go for a lower price. Come on, let's face it. No, yung realidad ng buhay mga kapatid, ang competition sa isang application 50. Okay? So, sa umpisa lang naman, not forever. Again, uulitin ko, not forever. Habang nagbi-build ka ng profile mo, isa o dalawa, hindi paramihan ha, ng napababa. Hindi ganun. Okay, so that means, ngayon is mga dalawa o tatlo. Okay, mga dalawa o tatlo. After nun, okay na ako. Magpupunta na ako sa proper rate ko. Nakita mo sa $8 ako actually, nag-start ako dun sa mga mura. Siguro meron pa rin akong early days, $5. Then I jump into 7, then 8, then 15. Then ngayon 25 na yung minimum ko. Okay, so nasa sayo on how you will handle it. Honestly, what is your happy rate? And I'm happy to do kasi pagka nandun ka na sa point where meron ka ng team, okay, and they are the ones who's gonna work on it. Ang sinasabi nila sa akin, don't go for lowball talaga. Ang nangyayari talaga sa amin is, kunin mo talaga yung malalaki. Okay, I'll go for the big ones then. Yung sa akin, ha? Pero kung ikaw nag-i-start pa lang, okay lang na maliit. Ano? Ang importante dito is kailangan mong may angat yung level mo o yung ratings mo para makuha ka ng algorithm. Okay, ang tinuturo ko sa inyo ay sa actual na ginawa ko on, on, on how I was able to get there. Okay, so of course, iba't iba ang way and possibility ng ibang freelancers, pero that is my way. Kung ano yung tinuturo ko, yun yung ginawa ko. I walk my talk. Hindi rin ako pwedeng magturo ng hindi ko ginawa. Okay. That's against my principle. Yung iba kasi based on theories, di ba? Kung magturo. Ako po ay based on what I did. Okay. So, yung mali, walang mali doon kasi yun yung ginawa ko eh. Di ba? Minsan iniisip ko nga, what are the things that I should have not done or ano yung tinama ko? Okay. Teka lang. Oo, ano, magandang question. Kinwestiyon ko tuloy yung sarili ko. Ano ba yung, kung meron akong ginawa na, wait lang. Kung meron akong babaguhin dun sa ginawa ko, no? Ah, meron. Anong tawag doon? Meron kasi akong mga clients, siguro mga dalawa o tatlo from Upwork na ang laki ng charge ko. Oo, siguro nag-charge ako ng monthly is, meron akong isa dati before, $4,000. $4,000 monthly, ha? Anong tawag doon? Kaso, ang stop ko during that time is fresh graduate. Okay, so isa talaga sa pinakamalaking pagkakamali ko dahil fresh graduate, hindi ganun kagaling. Okay. Then, hindi maganda yung naging trabaho. Then, I lose the client. Okay, so yun. Siguro yung pag-assign delegation at the early days, kailangan ngayon pa lang you should know by yourself, kinikilala mo yung staff mo. Okay, for the delegation. Okay, early days pa yun, yung dalawang early early staff ko the very beginning pero wala na sila ngayon. Ano, tapos isa pa siguro na pagkakamali na I won't do is yung tanggap ng tanggap na hindi mo na pala kaya. Kasi ang dami kong ganun din. Okay lang, go, tanggap pagkatapos hindi mo na naman pala kayang i-deliver with high quality. So that's wrong. I would just rather not accept it. Okay, so isa yun. Isa yun din sa mga pagkakamaling dapat iwasan. Okay, and siguro, andito pa rin ako. This is 3 years already. Ibig sabihin, kung ano, 3 years na pala ako sa Upwork, then it's working. And I earn more than 3 million pesos ha. Hindi siya, okay, more than 3 million when I check it as of today. So talagang it's a money din, di ba? Okay. Na-realize ko yun kanina when I look at my numbers. Grabe no. Anyway, so that's good. That is good. Okay. Now, next question. Any tips po when upskilling to new specialization? Example, US taxation. Okay. This is a good question. Upskilling. Hmm. Okay, I'll be honest, no? Kasi ito ha, sa US, hindi natin agad magagrab yung parang tax agent. Okay? That is a little bit hard to get kasi may exam. You need to go to Malaysia to take the exam. However, US tax preparer is okay. Okay, ibig sabihin, US tax preparer ka, ang mangyayari dyan is i- accounting and bookkeeping pa rin. Okay, so ang kailangan mong knowledge dyan is understand the IRS. Okay? And it's good, yes, to upskill. Grabe ang US kasi sobrang daming trabaho for accountants and bookkeepers, honestly. Okay, so yun yung client na na-close ko is a US, so it's a graveyard shift. Okay? So I'll go for it. That's good. That's good. That is one. That is good. US taxation, ang isa pa na maganda ngayong pasukin is I think crypto. Crypto in terms of industry na gusto mong i-bookkeeping. Okay? And real estate, hindi nawawala. Okay, now, next question here. Do you handle one client at a time po or multiple clients? Konting o hours po per client. Multiple clients, nakita mo yung tatlong clients na I can put hours. Okay, so ang kailangan mong i-handle is yung time. Okay, kung paano mo siya i-distribute. Okay? Ano yung kaya mo? Dapat mo rin tanungin pala yung sarili mo. Can I handle multiple clients? Okay, hindi pwedeng, okay, eto yung clients na kinuha ko, but hindi ko naman pala kaya. Okay, so you can do that, multiple clients in Upwork or even outside, as long as you can deliver. Okay, pagka ikaw ay marami na talagang kliyente, it's time to delegate. Okay? Next, do you say upfront that you are an agency? I think na-discuss ko yan. No. Okay? Unless they ask. Kasi pwede kang gumawa ng agency sa Upwork. You can put up as an agency. I can do an agency, OPAP, and my own profile, Jonathan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung Jonathan yung nakikitang profile, I'm representing only myself as a solopreneur. Okay? As a solo bookkeeper. Ano, pagka naman ikaw ay gusto mo ay i-upfront na ikaw ay agency, that is also okay. Pwede rin, may mga entrepreneurs din and business owners, they will ask you. Okay? They will ask you, do you have your team? Are you the one going to do it? Okay? So, it's very important. Check kung ano yung hinahanap niya. Then, kung that you will delegate to other people your work, and pagka sinabi mo na meron kang team, that's already clear na magde-delegate ka. Okay? What if may NDA? Pag may NDA, ikaw yun. You cannot delegate it to your people. Okay? Kasi ikaw nag-assign ng NDA. You don't distribute that job to others. Ano po? Kasi pangalan mo yung pinirmahan mo doon. Okay? Then, can you share some strategies when finding the right team members? Etong mga tanong na 'to, eto pang advance, I'll answer this on the next webinar. Okay, okay lang ba i-reserve ko 'to kasi madugo 'to. Team members post hiring best practices. That will be on the next webinar kasi masyadong malaking coverage 'to. Hindi madali yung pinagdaanan ko dito. Okay, question 6. Ano pong course ang kinuha niyo nung undergrad? Okay. Ano kasi ako, CPA din ako. Okay, pero nakita nyo, hindi ko pinagkakalandakan na I'm a certified public accountant. Mapwera lang, matindi ang kalaban. Okay, pag matindi po ang kalaban, ginagamit ko na CPA ako. Okay, kung labanan at labanan, lalo sa mga bidding, ipapakita ko na certified public accountant ako. Okay, and maraming hindi nakakaalam. They call me Sergio kasi teacher po ako sa FEU, sa main branch before. Okay, so ibig sabihin CPA and I got my master's degree as well. Okay, so kung labanan ng credentials ang laban sa Upwork, minsan tinatapatan ko. So ano yung course na kinuha ko ng undergrad? So BSA. Then I got master's degree. Pagtas hindi ko rin dinidisclose. Saan ako nag-master's? London. Oh, 'di ba lalo nang mabigat 'yon. Pag binanggit ko pa yung school, pag hinanap niyo yung school, masya kayo kung anong school. Okay, hanapin niyo Holt International Business School. Then try to look at how much is the tuition fee. Okay. So yun yon. What made you choose to work in freelance world? Okay. Okay. I'll go back doon sa presentation para masagot ko yung tanong niya. My father got sick. Okay, kaya ako napunta sa freelancing. Okay, so my father got Parkinson's disease. Oo, and I was chosen to take care of my father. So ako ang breadwinner in the family. So kaya I choose to do freelancing. And thank you for freelancing kasi I can stay at home. 'Di ba? Yun yun. Yun talaga yun. Yun yung isang pinakamalaking binigay sa akin ng pagbe-freelance is the opportunity to be with my family. Okay, so meron tayong tinatawag na KPIs, di ba? Okay, KPIs. These are my KPIs. Okay, we are coming to the end of this presentation. Actually, last two slides. Okay. Eto siya. Eto ang KPIs ko, my family. Actually, hindi nakasama yung bunso ko dito kasi old presentation pa 'to, patay. Meron na po akong bunso, 1 year old. Dali ako dito. Tapos hindi na sila matataba, okay? Pati yung buhok ko nakita nyo, hindi na ganyan. Pinabata ko, may kulay na, may buhok na ako, tinubuan ako ng buhok. So kasi early days pa yan. Hindi ko walang binago yung picture. Okay. Tatlo na po yung anak ko. Merong bunso 1 year old, turn 1 year old. Pagkatapos, this my wife, may 3 kids na ako. Ito is old pa. Ito si Mamay. Okay. Ito yung father ko who got Parkinson's disease. Okay. Pagkatapos ito kami, we always go out. Okay. Nagko-coffee, kumakain sa labas. Like for example, tomorrow, we'll go for Wendy's daw. Pizza yung gusto nila. Ano? Ah, so shakies pala. Okay. So, yan yung KPIs ko. Work-life balance. Ngayon po, honestly, I work siguro maximum po is 4 hours a day. Okay na trabaho lang. And I'm thankful for that kasi may team na ako working. No. Aside from the family time na nagagawa ko, other people won't believe on it, promise. Mm. Pero kasi I have my receipts. Alam mo yun, meron ka sarili mong resibo on how you do it. You can see if you are friends with me, you can see my activities. Ang dami kong activity na ginagawa. Because I am free. I have a lot of free time na rin. Pero I'm very busy. Kung titignan mo, sobrang busy ko pa din. Okay, kasi I'm the breadwinner. Okay? And may mga tao na umaasa sa'yo. And then siguro one of the greatest good things then this year, last 2 months ago, kasama ko yung staff ko sa Dubai. Okay, ito yung staff ko na isinama ko sila. Okay, so ito yung matatagal na sa akin. 3 years. 3 years na rin sila. Yung company is 3 years, 3 years sila sa akin. So, I treat them. All expenses paid in Dubai. Okay, so kasama ko sila in Dubai. And can you imagine, etong mga staff na to is, anong tawag doon? Yung mga staff na to, eto, kagaya nito, engineer graduate. Eto talaga accountancy graduate. Eto naman, call center agent. Alam mo yung gano'n, hindi mga accountant, hindi mga bookkeeper. Pero, it's good, right? Na you are able to provide for them. And yun nga, nadala ko sila in Dubai. So they stayed for 1 month. Okay? So merong Dubai branch kami. So that's I think one of the biggest achievement din na nagawa. And Upwork is a part of it. Kaya hindi siya pwedeng mawala doon. Ngayon, hindi na ako lang sa Upwork kumukuha ng client. Ano po, meron akong marketing manager and I think she's here. Ah, si Ate Jocelyn. Okay, she's attending as well para makita niya paano ginagawa. She is the head of our marketing department. Okay? Then, thank you. Okay, so I just want to leave this scripture. Okay, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Okay? So, yan po yung pinakagustong-gusto ko. Kasi sometimes, we have plans for ourselves, di ba? Pero, God has another plan for us na hindi natin nakikita. Siguro yun yung isang pinakamahirap uh, na harapin is kung meron ka ng plano sa buhay mo, tapos parang feeling mo, hindi yun yung nangyayari. 'Di ba? So don't lose hope on it. Laging merong bago na pinapakita sa atin si Lord. So dapat i-follow lang siya. And I'm thankful kasi I was able to share with you guys. And one thing, okay, so what's next? Bakit ako nag-share about Upwork? Now you have the basic. Kung gusto mong maghanap ng trabaho, kung gusto mong Upwork is one. And then may similarity kay online jobs, 'di ba? Meron siyang content similarity with online jobs. Then what's next? And why, di ba nga sabi ko, 2 or 3 webinars lang ako in a year. Okay, so meron akong isang activity pa, isang workshop. But this workshop will be paid one. Ano po, anong tawag doon? I-share ko sa inyo. Kasi people attended this last year. And kasi noon last year is we do this for a cause. Okay? And meron kaming pinag-distributan nito with those victims ng typhoon. So this year, gagawin ko pa rin siya. Ito yung webinar na to is how to establish your own bookkeeping agency. Okay, so that means another level. Okay, 2.0. Online workshop pa rin siya. I'll do the same November 30 and December 1. November 30 and December 1. Probably ito. How to establish your own bookkeeping agency 2.0. But this one will be paid. Okay? Paid webinar po ito. Ito is costing 5,000 pesos. Okay, now, dahil umattend ka ng ah, how to be top rated in Upwork, dun sa mga umattend ng live, will have a discounted of 2,000 pesos. So 3,000 na lang sa inyo. When I launch this, okay, so ilalabas ko siya after a week kasi I'm putting up the contents, no? So you can start doing the enrollment for this. This is a 2 days workshop, November 30 and December 1. How to establish your own bookkeeping agency. All other things will be discussed there. Hindi na siya discussion about Upwork. Discussion na siya kung paano ka mag-scale. If you have at least 1 or 2 clients, you should join me. Okay? Makikita mo yung full system na ginawa ko. Okay? Bakit sabi ko 4 hours na lang ako nagtatrabaho in a day? How I was able to do that? And siguro naman, I have the receipt na meron akong agency in Dubai and agency in the Philippines. And it's fully registered and compliant. So siguro, I'm in the shoes of can be trusted. And I'll share with you yung testimonial ng mga umattend. Okay, from last year. So, dahil sa nandito kayo, I'm giving it discounted by 2,000. So, it's 5,000 talaga siya. Okay? Mahal talaga siya kasi we are giving you full process ng company. Okay? And, of course, ikaw lang ang makakakuha nun. We don't share it. And we don't even share the replay. Kasi makikita mo yung mga clients na hinahawakan namin. Okay, kaya yung 2 days workshop na yon is you reserve talaga for this. Okay? So yun lang. Thank you so much. God bless all of you and let's keep in touch. Ano, if you still want to scale and grow your practice. Okay? So thank you so much po. God bless you everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you po. Thank you.